improvement in our class.
Say hi, folks. Oh, yeah.
Hey, guys.
John Pisciota getting that elusive clean run. Nice run, a 48.204. So takes the second spot. GST.
That's whack.
I'll stick with you if you want.
Yeah, go. You're good.
Indianapolis first two. Full second lead over the rest of the team. Chef Vineyard. I know you want to have water bottles for last, but you might want to take those off the car. Of course, I think you might want to use cones for ballast too, so who knows. Kufka back, 43.340, his best time. Not enough to overtake Coach Round, but does get a little bit faster, so he's only 0.532 up first. Holding on. Good day for the Stalker. Mine definitely has that car set up well for today. Getting it done on the best run. Maybe kept the water bottle just in case of fire in the Miata, so that makes sense now. Ooh, so Jennifer Williams.
Hey, man, that's like another full second.
That's unfortunate, Jennifer.
If that's what this car is like on 720 tread wear,
Right.
this thing on 200.
200s are insane, yeah.
That's actually really cool.
Doing pretty good in that borrowed car, Nick Rendler's. Sean Robinson back 48.019, gets faster, hold down the lead and can. DNF on Paul Ryan, not sure what happened.
Hey, Chirp second.
Ooh, late going Colin Robinson. Still your leader though, Cam, and Kufka. Coming in on 43.498, passing his co-driver and owner. Moving 5 spots, take the lead at R, and your new top time of day, only about 0.004 second lead over my others. That's about an elephant butt hair there, folks. E-Mod battle in R. Paul Ryan back, unfortunately DNF, no help.
That was like 2 seconds.
So Jay Lyons coming through the finish, waiting for the timer to update my end. They didn't have to run. It's already got a code and bring it with him. So he's got a code and an intake. Don't let him go get protested for that. Ooh, and a late cone call in Toho, I see. John Robinson out there are coming through with a Pleasure Mustang. That car getting a lot of action this season, chasing Kufka.
Something rolling around with that.
44.626, but a cone would have been top time of the day. I believe he's still actually trailing Matt Moore at top time in the GST car. Jeff Vineyard is online now in his team repair Miata.
Okay.
Always let me build, but looks like he got his